waa qaybteennii buugga New Concept English Practice and Progress. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English with Susman official channel. Passage 47 waa sheekadii 47 ee buugga New Concept English Practice and Progress. Waxa ciwaankanaga ah passage-kan A Hungry Ghost. A hungry ghost waa ree aakhiraad gaajaysan ama baahan. A restaurant maqaaxid which was recently bought by Umardhow ama dhawaan iibsaday ama gatay by Mr. Ian Thompson ninka la yiraahdo is up for sale ayaa hadeertaan iib ah ama xarash ah. Mr. Thompson ninka la yiraahdo is going waxa uu doonayaa to sell it inuu iska gado because maxaa yeelay it's haunted. Waxa degan ama ku nool ree aakhiraad. It's haunted. Haunted waxaa loo adeegsadaa means haunt, reside ama inhabit way macna ama live ama dwell exactly uu ku nool yahay ama degan yahay. He told me wuxuu ii sheegay that he could not go to sleep one night inuusan habeen seexan karin because maxaa yeelay he heard waxa uu maqlay a strange noise waxan cajiib ah coming from ka imaanayo the kitchen kushiinka. The next morning subaxii xigtay he found that wuxuu ogaaday the doors albaabadii had been blocked in la xiray by cherries lagu gooyay kuraaso and the furniture alaabtiina had been moved lasoo qaaday ama la sikiyey. Though inkastoo Mr. Thompson ninka la yiraahdo had turned off uu damiyey before he went to bed intuusan sariirta aadin leerarkii uu damiyey, they were on in the morning subaxii waa ay shidnaayeen. He also said xitaa wuxuu yiri that he had found inuu ogaaday the refrigerator in talaagadu half empty barba half ay ahayd ama ay marneed. The ghost ree aakhiraadku must have eaten ayaa cunay the food cuntadii the night before habeenkii hore. When goortii I suggested aan usoo jeediyay that some villagers xoogaa dad reer tuulo ah must have come in inay soo galaan ama ay yimaadaan for a free meal cunto bilaash ah, Mr. Thompson shook his head madaxiisa ayuu gilgilay. The villagers reer xaafadda ama reer tuulada have told him waxay u sheegeen that they will not take in aysan qaadan doonin the restaurant maqaayadda even xitaa if he gives it away haddii uu bilaash ku bixinayo. Comprehension waa fahamkan crazy dulucda kooban. Answer ka jawaab this question su'aalooyinkani not more than aan ka badnayn 70 words 70 eray. What did Mr. Ian Thompson ninka la yiraahdo buy recently uu dhawaan soo iibsaday ama soo gatay? What did Mr. Ian Thompson buy recently? Is it haunted or not? Ma meel ay degan yihiin ama ay ku nool yihiin ree aakhiraad ba? What is he going to do with it? Muxuu rabaa inuu ku sameeyo maqaayadda? Was there ma waxa ahaa a strange noise waxan cajiib ah in the kitchen kushiinka ama jikada one night habeen or not mise ma ahayn? Was the room qolku in disorder misku dhex yaacsanaa oo nidaam darro darteeda in disorder next morning subaxii xigtay or not mise muusan ahayn? What else maxaa kale did Mr. Thompson find ayuu ogaaday? Does he believe ma rumaysan yahay that some villagers in xoogaa dad reer xaafadda ama reer tuulada ah blockreeyeen into the restaurant maqaayadii and had a meal eena ku yeesheen cunto ama ku cuneen or not mise? Does anybody in the village cid oo tuulada degan ama want ma doonaysaa ama ma rabaan to buy inay ka gataan ama ka iibsadaan the restaurant maqaayadda? Step up your speaking power. Step up your pronunciation. Passage 47. A hungry ghost. A restaurant which was recently bought by Mr. Ian Thompson is up for sale. Mr. Thompson is going to sell it because it's haunted. It's haunted. He told me that he could not go to sleep one night because he had a strange noise coming from the kitchen. The next morning he found that the doors had been blocked by chairs and the furniture had been moved. Though Mr. Thompson had turned off before he went to bed, they were on in the morning. He also said that he had found the refrigerator half empty. The ghost must have eaten the food the night before. When I suggested that some villagers must have come in for a free meal, Mr. Thompson shook his head. The villagers have told him that they will not take the restaurant even if he gives it away. Comprehension and praises answer this question is in not more than 70 words. What did Mr. Ian Thompson buy recently? Is it haunted or not? What is he going to do with it? Was there a strange noise in the kitchen one night or not? Was the room in disorder next morning or not? What else did Mr. Thompson find? Does he believe that some villagers broke into the restaurant and had a meal or not? Does anybody in the village want to buy the restaurant? Thanks.
ألف لك النبي ألف لوس نبي ألف لك